Hello. I'm coming. It's fine. Hey.
We've successfully done nothing.
We have successfully done nothing. Welcome to the outtakes reel.
That was rubbish.
There we go, another outtake. Great. Do you want to sing through it?
YOLO. Stuck in reverse. I got it wrong. Oh my god! This song! Just please don't say you love me. I got it wrong already. That was just going quite well and then it didn't. My fingers just went out of sync.
It's gonna be a long day.
My hands are like, I'm gonna do different things. The beginning of the song is just so challenging.
How's the rest?
Pips.
Wait, stop recording.
Okay. Right, and it's done. It is. Oh my god. Flat. I was flat. Oh my god, you're gonna get so many outtake things put in a video from this. Yeah. Oh, did that sound okay? No! Is it all recording?
Yeah, all recording now.
Hi. No. Sorry, start on the right note, that's always useful. Coke, gimme now.
Finished.
You loser.
I did the whole song. You did the whole song?
That's a first. It goes right 40% of the time.
I'm sort of waiting for Jessie to come in and start meowing. That'll be next.
Meow. You can tell the sun. Judgment taught us that our hearts were wrong. This is weird. Mixing up two different songs. I'm reading like a YouTube channel. Hi camera, how's it going? My back hurts. Chicken. Will you? No! Oh, that was so good! You'll remember me! I'm feeling this is a positive thing.
What, that you went wrong? Recording, by the way.
Cool. I am here, lonely, go to We've only been sitting here for 10 million years.
I did my waiting. 12 years of it in Sarah's bedroom.
You're so weird. They're the ones who will look down upon. Sorry, I looked down on you. Looked down upon
Is that what happened? No, I've just realised that there are some socks in shot right in the corner.
No way.
Shut up.
Somewhat.
Should we turn that round so you're not looking at yourself?
No, it's quite good just because then if I am doing this, then I can be like, ah. We were caught.
Just end.
I just felt that was going badly. You're laughing at me like, no, you suck. Sorry, camera. I was left to my... What is up with my coat? So she... What, Megan? Shit! Let's not do this one.